In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 2x2 picture in WPS Office. If you need a perfect 2-inch by 2-inch photo for an ID, visa, or application, WPS Office makes it quick and precise. We'll keep it simple, and by the end, you'll have a clean, exact 2x2 image ready to use. First, open WPS Office and launch WPS Writer. From the Start screen, choose Blank Document. Writer is great for this task because it shows real-world measurements and gives you clear size controls for images. Don't worry about the page size right now. The key is getting the picture dimensions exactly right. Next, insert the photo you want to resize. Go to the top menu, choose Insert, then Picture, and select your image from your computer. Once it appears on the page, click on the photo to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see handles around the edges and the picture editing options appear. With the image selected, look for the Picture Tools or Format tab at the top. This is where you'll set the exact size. In the Size section, you'll see fields for width and height. Type 2 inches for width and 2 inches for height. That's it. Those two entries ensure your image is exactly 2x2. If your WPS is showing centimeters instead of inches, 2 inches equals 5.08 centimeters. You can enter that value directly if needed. If the program keeps the aspect ratio locked by default, entering both fields as 2 should force a square result. After you confirm the size, take a quick look at the image on the page. It should now display as a small, crisp square. A few quick tips as you work. Start with a clear, high-resolution photo so it doesn't look blurry when resized. A square photo will fit perfectly without any cropping, and a simple, even background usually looks best for ID-style images. If the picture looks stretched after resizing, that usually means the original wasn't square. Choosing a square source image prevents distortion. At this point, your image is a precise 2x2 size inside WPS Writer. You can drag it to position it on the page or duplicate it if you need multiple copies on one sheet before printing. When you're satisfied, you can save the document or print it using your normal print settings. That's the whole process. Open WPS Writer, insert your photo, select it, and set the width and height to exactly 2 inches. Simple, accurate, and fast. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you create the perfect 2x2 picture with confidence.